Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about group anagrams problem. So here the question is, given array of strings strs, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So let's discuss about what is anagram. So anagram means a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word. Let's say here we have one string silent and another string listen. So with the silent word, we can form the listen. Same with listen, we can rearranging the letters, we can form the silent word. So that's why these two are anagrams. Let's say we have another string ant and another string is nut. With ant, we can't form nut. Same with nut, we can't form ant. That's why these two are not an anagram. So this is the simple anagram meaning. Let's understand what is meant by group of anagrams. Let's talk about group of anagrams. Group of anagrams means collection of words where every word in that group is an anagram of others. So let's say here we can form eat from tea. TEAT, EAT, eat. So we can say these two are anagrams. So here we can't form tan from TR eat. So this is not belonging to this eat group. So here we have 8. So we can form 8 from eat or T. So we can say together group 1. We can write eat, T and 8. These three are belonging to one group. So now let's talk about tan and nat. So we can form nat from tan, same vice versa. So we can write in group 2 nat tan. And let's check where bat belongs to. So we can't form bat from this group of words or this group of words. That's why in the group 3 we have only bat. So now the expected output looks like this. So we need to return group of anagrams. So eat, tea, ate, and, tan, nat, and then bat. So we need to return the output like this. So let's jump into the examples in the question. So here if you see we have the strings as eat, tea, tan, ate, nat, bat. So the output, it can be of any order. So we can return first this group and then this group and then this group. So because in the question they mentioned you can return answer in any order. So here the output is bat, nat, tan, ate, eat, tea. So in the explanation part there is no string in STRS that can be rearranged from bat. That's why as we already discussed, that's why bat is in the one group. After that, nat and tan are anagrams as they can be rearranged to form each other. And after that, we have strings ate, eat, tea are anagrams, so they can be rearranged to form each other. And in the second example, we have empty string, that's why output also empty. And after that, STRS is having only A, so the output is A. Now, let's discuss the approaches to solve this problem. So here we are going to discuss about easy approach, which is hash map. So here we are going to sort each word and that sorted string becomes key. Let's say for eat, after sort, it becomes AET after sort. And then T, for T, sorted string is again AET. And then tan, for tan, ANT, and then 8, AET, and then nat, again ANT, and then BAT, ABT. So if you clearly observe, we have the same key for eat, T, and ate. These three has common sorted string is AET. So we can write in the hash map like this. Let's say for AET, we have three. One is eat, T, and then ate. And then if we clearly observe, tan and nat have the same sorted string which is and. So we can write for and, tan, nat. And then finally we have for ABT, we have the bat. So first sort the string and use the sorted string as the key, anagrams as the values. So in the end, we need to return all the values for each key. This forms our output string. So let's try to code for this one. So here we are going to take one unordered map. In our case, both key and values both are strings. That's why we are taking string first one, and then our value might contain multiple strings. That's why we are using vector. Here we need to traverse through our strs. So before doing sorting, we need to store our original string value. That's why we need to store in key, and then we need to do the sort. So sort, you can apply on S or key. Here I am applying on key. So here we have the sorted string as key value. So now we need to push into our map. So mp of key dot pushback S. So if you clearly observe here, if we are talking about eat string, here our key contains, after sorting, it has A, E, T. So for AET, we are pushing back into the map, which is eat. Up to here, that one. I hope you understood clearly. So maybe after doing this for loop, we may have like T. So T is also having the same AET only, right? So in the map, it will store like this T or 8. So for one key, we are storing the multiple strings, which are the anagrams. Once this for loop complete, our map looks like this. Like for key AET, we have eat T8, and for and we have tan, nat, and then finally ABT we have bat. So now the expected output is we need to return the group of anagrams. So for that we need to return the each value from the key. So here our final output is group of anagrams, which needs to be a collection of groups, and each group is a vector of strings. That's why we need to use vector of vectors result. After that we need to iterate through the map and then need to push back our values to the result. So result dot pushback entry dot second. First we will hold the key and second hold the value. And in the final we need to return the result. Let's run this code. Yeah, our solution got accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Yeah, all test cases got passed. I hope you understood the problem clearly. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.